The Ecomoment dual dash cam EM-100 offers impressive video quality with its ability to record at up to 2.5K resolution for the front camera and 1080p for the rear camera, ensuring clarity in capturing important details like road signs and vehicle number plates. With a front wide angle of 170 degrees and a rear wide angle of 160 degrees, this dash cam provides extensive coverage to minimize blind spots and enhance safety during driving. The built-in Wi-Fi and compatibility with the VCar app allow for seamless connectivity and easy management of recordings on both iOS and Android devices, making it convenient to download, edit, and share videos. Equipped with super night vision and wide dynamic range technology, the Ecomoment dashcam excels in low-light conditions, delivering clear footage even in extremely dark scenarios. The loop recording feature ensures continuous recording by automatically overwriting the oldest footage when the memory card is full, while the G-sensor locks important videos during sudden impacts to prevent them from being overwritten. A 1.47-inch IPS display enhances user interaction by providing a vivid and detailed view of recordings, making it straightforward to adjust settings and review footage.